Introducing ATTEN ST-1503D Plus, 150 watts of high-frequency soldering power. Precision control with its clear LCD display. Tackle any job with a wide temperature range, from 80 degrees Celsius up to 600 degrees Celsius. Engineered for performance, experience the advanced T500 series handle. It features a pluggable heater design. Changing the T500 cartridge is incredibly quick and easy, no tools needed. Effortlessly recall soldering profiles with 3 customizable preset temperatures. And unlock ultimate precision with ST-1503D Plus infrared calibrator. Achieve one-click infrared temperature calibration, ensuring your readings are always spot on.